Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? How's everybody doing? Fine, I hope. It's a little cold and chilly and wet and rainy here in Chicago today, and I'm just enjoying some cozy time in my nail room. That's always good, right? For anyone new to my channel, I welcome you, and it's so good to see each and every one of you who continue to return and support my channel. I just love you guys. So if you're new, my name is Tomi, and I'm a licensed nail technician. On this channel, you're going to see a variety of things. You're going to see acrylic sets, you're going to see polygel. I've done dip nails. I've had a BOUJEE nails on a budget series that's been running for close to a year now, and I just did a finale on a nail comedy series called The Mass Finger, and it's still on the channel for you to enjoy. So consider subscribing to my channel and becoming part of this NailTube family. So as we get started, about these kiss press-on nails, and I say it like that because you guys know that I came across this sale a couple of days ago when I was out waiting for a friend, and I happened into Walgreens and found that they had a buy one get one free sale going, which was totally awesome because the packages were pretty much like $4.50 a piece for some really decent press-on nails, and some of them have really good design. So as you can see, I'm already starting while I'm talking, and I'm doing prep, so I'm pushing the cuticles back. That's the first part of prep. Prep is the most important thing, even when it comes to doing press-on nails. If you do your prep well, the nails are going to last a decent amount of time. And before I get into anything else, I'm going to cut these down. I want to say maybe about a week and a half ago, I mentioned that I had product on my nails. What I was doing was I was trying 4 different nail strengtheners. And I do have a video of that pending. I don't know if you guys want to see that. I started hesitating about putting it up. But if you guys want to see that, one of the reasons why I've been kind of like holding back on it is because, like, how often are you going to sit there and just watch me polish this stuff on? I was trying to think of a way to, I don't know, it's like watching paint dry. I'm actually trying to come up with some type of a chit chat or something. So just know that I did do that video. I'm just trying to think of how to make it more interesting than just sitting there looking at me polishing layers and layers of this stuff on. Where was I at? Oh, so yeah, prep work is just as important even when you're doing press-on nails. So what I'm going to do is, even though I do have some growth, I'm going to cut my nails down. And if you're okay with cutting your nails down, you really should kind of trim them down, because the longer the nails are, depending on how your nails grow, it's going to interfere with laying flush to the inside of the nail tip. Oh, and you're seeing the nails on my other hand. That's another video as well. Yeah, girl, I've been working it, okay? I have been working it. Got videos put away, so you guys have plenty of content to come. And it ain't been easy because I be working too, but there's content waiting for you, okay? One of the things that I'm trying to get back in the habit of doing correctly is filing my nails with the proper file, and still ain't doing it today. You really should file your nails with a glass file, like how we use these 180 grit files to file the free edge of your nail. You really shouldn't be doing that. That's actually too rough, and what it does is it tears your free edge into shreds. I found one that's at least a 240, which is much finer, so it's a little better. You really should be gentle with the free edge of your nail. So yeah, I was so happy to find those bargains, but I do have a confession to make. I think we all got confessions to make. This is my confession, right? I'm addicted. If I see press-ons, I'm gonna buy it. So I gotta admit, like I don't know if I said it already, but I have more than what I have pulled out to show you. I just don't have enough table space. So I know I basically did a video similar to this when I did the MAKARTT pump-ups, but oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mention this was per special request. This is from my sister Gemini Superfly. I hadn't seen her in a minute, so I'm so glad to see you on the channel. I know that you're working, and I know your working hours are crazy, but anytime I see you, Jessica, I'm so happy to see you and know that everything hopefully is okay. So she saw the video with the press-on nails, and she asked for a video to show how I put them on and make them last. So from here, I'm going to decide on what I'm going to wear. And these are the ones that I bought the other day that you guys saw in the video, right? Oh, it fits perfectly in view. And I can't make up my mind. It's so hard to decide, like I was in the other video. What am I going to wear, right? They're all so pretty. You guys know I love the matte. I like these are cute, and these, OMG. But let me tell you something. I said that I have an addiction, right? Okay, let me show you something that proves it. I'm almost not wanting to show you, but hey, it's all in the fun. So I got these, and I came home and discovered that I have them already. You know what? Looks like they changed their packaging. Also, I have these, and I came home and discovered I have them already. But hey, you know what? It ain't hurting me to have two sets, right? So yeah, it does look like, is this packaging different? No, it's the same. So yeah, and I'm quite sure that I might have some others that I have double sets of, which still works for me. So you know what? I'm thinking that I don't want it to be too drastically different from what I have on my hands, because I'm going to keep these on just for a few. Actually, they all kind of, I don't know, guys. What do you think? Let's see if you'll guess which ones I'm gonna pick. Oh, but before I do that, you know what? Let me show you the other ones that I have. So I have some short lengths in a glossy finish, and look, these are so cute. So this is like a mini press-on nail haul, right? Aren't these the cutest? Oh, they are so cute. But I'm gonna hold on to these until it gets much more into the summer season. Then I have these. These are the ones that I confessed before when I was in Walmart doing my vlog. When I was basically like, let me let you in on a little secret. I already have them. So pretty, aren't they? And then I already showed you that I have two of each of these. So I'm gonna put these aside. And then I totally forgot. I have matte in this color. Isn't that cute too? Now these you could even want to, like, I don't know, bling them out or put decorations on them. I think they would look nice either plain or blinged out. And then I also have these. I've seen this on, actually, I think I've seen both of these in some videos. I don't know who they are, but I have seen them. And these I'm just holding on to in case I get fly one day. And I'm going to put these on with something that I'm wearing. So, super beautiful. And like I said, I'm addicted. So, there's even more. So, which ones do you guys think I'm going to pick? I'm going to go ahead and pick from one of these four because they're the ones that I bought the other day, and those are the ones that you guys saw in the video. So which ones do you think I'm gonna pick? Ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and pick these. And the reason why I was gonna pick between the two of these, because I already have two of them, so I won't be sad. I want to hold on to these two until we get further into the season. And these, yeah, this is something that I'm gonna get dressed for. So it was gonna be between these two. I'm gonna pick these. These look more like everyday wear, and I think they'll look okay on one hand while I have these on the other, right? So we're gonna get started with these. Now, just in case some aren't familiar, when you open it up, that's what the packaging looks like on the inside. And then you simply, it's double packed, so you have to lift this up like it's a lid. And this is also double, this is a cover, so the showcase nails are just up underneath the outer cover. There is some glue. I will use this glue. There are some sticky tabs. You have the option of using the sticky tabs. Now, I've come across some sticky tabs that work very, very well. Some of them don't sleep on them, because some of them that come in these packages work really good. So it's just a matter of preference. Let me get this cut open, because it's folded 3 ways. I won't be using the tabs either. And actually, I'm using the glue just to show you guys, because these nails are going to have to come off. I'm just showing you how I put them on. So just kind of showing you the other contents that come in the packaging. Oh, look, it has, is that a security tab? Let me push this off to the side. Is that a security tab? Or is that a, just a pricing sensor? Because you know what? Let me tell you something. People are going nuts over press-ons. So here are the tabs. And I've already said what I said about those. I'm going to finish telling you guys about that, because it just kind of blew me away. I showed you guys that it came with glue. Let me see. Is there a company name on here? Oh, it's by Kiss. The glue is also by Kiss. Where's the name? I don't know if you could see it in the light, but it does say Kiss. And I think their glue is pretty good. Look at that itsy bitsy Aggie. If you're watching this, I know how you feel about itty bitty things, little novelty itty bitty things, because I'm on that same thing with you. So it comes with a cute little hand file and a teeny tiny orange wood stick that you can use as a pusher and a cleaner. Start out by sizing these.
What I didn't show was me applying the peel-off base coat, because that's not part of prep, and I need to be able to take these off for another video. That's like a catch-22, isn't it? I'm showing how to make your press-ons last, but going to be taking them off right away.
And I'm just going to kind of take the shine off the surface of the nail. I probably ain't even got no nail surfaces left with all the nails, with the nails I've been doing. Just a little bit for me. But you want to take, the purpose of this is to take the shine away. It's not actually to rough it up. It's just to remove some of the shine. Then I'm going to clean that. Okay, here it goes. You want to clean it off real good.
As far as how to place the glue, it's a matter of preference. Some people place it inside the press-on. When I'm working with a fast-drying glue, I rather place the glue on the nail bed to ensure full coverage of glue. This is also what makes them last. And also because I don't like handling the press-on with that type of glue inside, unless I'm using a base coat, which is something else, And the base coat would definitely help them last. So it's your choice. I just used what was in this kit. Oh, so the story about the nails. So guys, I go to the beauty supply store, and I often go there for nail stuff, and they even have press-ons, and I go in there for like hair things. And I'm kind of browsing through what they have, and I make a purchase of one or two. I can't remember on that particular day. But then I go back the next week. Can you believe it? They literally had locks on the hooks of press-on nails.
So for me, okay, let me just show you here. For me, I could have very well customized them and trimmed some of this down, because these are a little more squared off at the cuticle area. The ones that are more rounder at the cuticle tend to fit my nails more perfectly. So I could have very well, don't be afraid to customize your nails. If you have to trim the sides or, curve the edges a little more, make sure you do that.
And I was so bewildered. When I asked about it, they said you'd be surprised. I guess with the salons being shut down through the whole quarantine thing and people not being able to get stuff done, people were going nuts, and they had locks on these hooks and shelves like it was a jewelry store. I couldn't believe it. I mean, I can believe things that would turn and happen, but on press-on nails, guys. And it's not that I live in a bad area. I guess for me, the thing was, it wasn't not meat, not milk, not eggs. You know what I'm saying? Like, not basic essentials, but press-on nails. I'm still trying to grasp it. When I'm done, I often like to apply a drop of glue underneath as well to create more security. And because these are matte finish, I chose not to use cuticle oil. All matte finishes don't respond to things the same, so I decided to use moisturizing lotion instead.